Hi, my name is Klaire, and I'm a patient, friendly, and encouraging English tutor from the Philippines. I help children, young learners, and beginner English students improve their speaking, reading, pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and confidence. I have 3 years of teaching experience in public school system and 1 year of experience as a child development worker. Through these experiences, I have worked with young learners of different ages, levels, and learning needs. I understand that every student learns differently, so I always adjust my lessons based on the student's level, goal, and pace. I am also a TEFL-certified through Teacher record, which helped me strengthen my skills in teaching English to learners from different backgrounds. In my class, learning English is simple, fun, and supportive. I use clear explanations, guided practice, visual materials, conversation activities, reading exercises, vocabulary games, and positive feedback. For children, I make lessons engaging and enjoyable. For beginners, I explain slowly and clearly so students can feel comfortable while learning step by step. You do not have to be afraid in making mistakes in my class. Mistakes are part of learning, and I will guide you with patience and encouragement. My goal is to help you speak English confidently and enjoy the learning process. We can practice everyday conversation, pronunciation, reading comprehension, sentence construction, basic grammar, vocabulary building, and listening and speaking skills. So, if you're looking for a kind and supportive tutor who can help you or your child improve English, I would be happy to help. Book a trial lesson with me and let's build English confidence together. See you in my class!